Carl here. Summit Racing's Pro LS rotating assembly offerings give you class-leading premium features at an affordable price. We've made it easy to pick out just the right combination of bore, compression ratio, stroke, etc. This is not by accident. Summit Racing is powered by enthusiasts and engine builders just like you, who understand what's needed to build an engine right. Earlier this year, we introduced our Pro LS piston line. The next logical step was to provide equally high-quality 4340 forged steel crankshafts and H-beam connecting rods. The result? The Summit Pro LS line now has 227 combinations of rotating assemblies, piston and rod kits, and crank and rod kits. The lineup starts with forged pistons for 4.8, 5.3, 5.7, 6.0, 6.2, and 7-liter engines. These made in the USA pistons are made of 2618 alloy, which is the best stuff for big boost and nitrous. For each of the combinations, you'll find mid-compression ratios built for nitrous and mid-9:1 range for boost. Standard bore pistons are available along with 5-overs and multiple oversizes from there. They use an ultra-modern strutted forging and are designed around a 2 1/4 inch pin length, which clears the reluctor ring when used in a stroker application. The pins are made of durable chromium steel and have pressure-fed oiling. Piston skirts are specially profiled and coated for tight piston-to-wall clearance, which makes them quieter and increases durability when used in stroker applications. The 4.8, 5.3, and 5.7-liter pistons get generous cathedral port valve reliefs for big camshafts. The 6.0, 6.2, and 7-liter pistons get a combination cathedral and rectangular port valve relief to clear any head you decide to use. Premium quality piston rings were built into the piston designs from the start. These rings are extremely durable yet easy on the cylinder bores. Ring tension is set for optimal oil control with wet sump engines. The 4.8 and 5.3 pistons get a 1.5, 1.5, and 3 mm ring pack with a plasma moly steel top ring. The second ring is a martensitic Napier design. The oil ring is designed with 13 pounds of tension for excellent oil control. 5.7-liter and larger pistons get a 1.2, 1.2, and 3 mm ring pack and switch to a nitride steel top ring. Next are the 4340 forged steel crankshafts. These are available in standard 3.622 inch or 4-inch strokes and your choice of a 24X or 58X reluctor ring. They're core hardened to optimum strength, tempered to remove stress, then nitride hardened. This process is the best for strength and optimal case depth without causing distortion. The rod journals and mains are lightened and perfectly placed counterweights reduce twisting at high RPM and ease balancing. They're also profiled for lower windage and journal finish is outstanding and receives straight shot oiling. This maximizes oil film strength when the journal is seeing its highest compressive loads. The forged H-beam connecting rods are currently offered in 6.098 inch factory length and the popular 6 1/8 inch length and are also made of 4340 steel. Although they've been tested to well over 1,200 horsepower, it's actually more accurate to say they were designed for 5,000 feet per minute of operation in drag and street power adder applications. This equates to a 4-inch stroke turning 7,500 RPM or a shorter stroke turning much higher. ARP 2000 rod bolts rated at 200,000 psi are also used. In addition, the bolts are 7/16 of an inch, which is a 23% increase in diameter over the factory bolt. They're also stroker clearance to clear the cam and reduce the amount of notching required in a stroker application. They're full floating and precision honed right here in the USA to plus or minus 1/10 of a thousandth of an inch. Finally, they're weight matched to plus or minus 1 gram per end. This saves you a lot of time and money when balancing. How about bearings? Nothing but the best. Legendary Clevite 77H bearings are included in the rotating assemblies. They also have a high crush factor for maximum retention. Check out the many different Pro LS rotating assemblies available right now on summitracing.com. Thanks for watching.